picking
I
up.
have to ride.
Turn left to stay on Mount Hollywood Drive.
Man, I wish I had a bike. People look at me, they wonder if I'm half black or white. So I smack them twice. That's bad advice. Success isn't half as nice as advertised. I guess it depends on your appetite. Feels like I'm on the dark side of the moon or one of the Earth's satellites, living the savage life.
Yeah.
That's something about my beat.
Shook ones.
Yeah, sure. What they saying there? They said something about
You know, and hit 'em up. Tupac.
we really supposed to go through here? They ain't got like a sidewalk or some shit? How the people on the bikes
Oh, what?
get it through here? What?
Yeah.